non-effective and irrelevant other pills.
DJ vanondiziva ita izvi mberi ndibobvisa mike ndapiwe. Thank you so much for having me tonight. But ndanyanyirwa handiti. But at least andizi curtain raiser kungeani. At least andizi curtain raiser kungeriki fire handiti. So today we are celebrating the culture hip hop and we have Blecperl in the house. And I'd like to appreciate Kuda Musasiwa. This is our OG, Vaneta hip hop, anoziziva. Kuti Kuda Musasiwa is the one and supporter. This man is the only man to send me bottles, my hamper, scarf, or my birthdays, or my album releases. Just give him a hand. Tisatitamu roster. Okay, so without wasting time, Jango Nanga straight to Dog Vigela. Besides kuti Dog Vigela vane vana 4 mu economy atiri. Dog Vigela is a qualification in teaching. And guess what? He produced special class. Do you know why? Because his teaching skills are a joke. But he does have a teaching qualification, as you see. Yes. So, going, tichiramba chidzika nenyaya tichitarisa Dog Vigela. Timukoma vangu and I've seen him. I think he came to use it. Nana Tinai. Is Tinai in here? Shout out to Tinai. Dog Vigela is so confident in his Zanu connections. This man decided to have 3 kids. And guess what? This nigga been wearing the same suit on every roast. The same suit. It's the same suit. Yes, it is the same suit. Blecperl warutaura whilst ndiri kumboita masina angu kunoko. Hanzi Blecperl. Ladies and gentlemen, Blecperl is the only female rapper to sound like a male panenga achiimba face. And she sounds like a lady per chorus. She's the only person in the music who is transgender. Hold your applause. Ndangom kwanisa but we still have Dog Vigela. We still have Dog Vigela. Dog Vigela taifunga ti pano wina. We kutara
sound guy.
Anti chiko na sound guy. Make some noise for sound guy. Aiwa chimurepe. Dog Vigela mkoma wangu. We thought that paka wina zanu mchapiwo Land Rover. But we have one question. Tesa takadai. How was chicken in? Boss vana wakapiwa mabenzi ku hip hop kurupiwa wani mabenzi. Iwo wakapiwa mavanzwa mazvinzwira mega. Aiwa mirai. Mirai. Right, andina kunyora majokes akawanda pana Dog Vigela because he's my big brother, but you know. Ndokwata my boss. And now dakuenda kuna bashupi. Chiri kushupa zvinezvi chizvezvi. Chiri kushupa ndi Holy 10 chete. Zvaizvezvi. When this man started doing hip hop, inini Nanchirupfeka uniform.
Senior.
When he had a hit, I was in a uniform.
Ulti nagari grade 2.
Right, Pamsore, as soon as we are finished, Nabashupi, Togo Naguzuenda to the next person, but we have to really realize what this man is trying. I've seen this man on every occasion. Asundu kunyeba. Hansi kunyeba. Uyu murume uyaimba kuti tisu mashaki but wona skin yake. Panosvika mvura apa. Serious, musaseke, he comedy, but pano tasai. This man has a song, you know, my one amori chocolate. Career again, Debbie. Why would you make such a song? Alright, career book or marriage?
Yewe mkomana yewe nga. Abangapeka mambure papa wangapeka mambure nga. Abeno wawela uredza kupi papa wali papa.
Ndukunyara because I have a secret to tell you. This man, where there's an accountant's clerk, Bashupia, just think about it. Guys, Malawi yange shaya nuko aere guy Bashupia. Accountant. He can't even count his years in music career. But Bashupi, Ndimkoma, we see him all around. You know, we still respect those who are keeping on pushing the music. So I've said enough about you, my brother. And much respect to NobleStylez in the room. I'm about to talk about Blecperl, and these guys are my family. But you know, it is what it is. This nigga Blecperl.
Nigga.
Do you want me to say it? Her eyes are so big. She can't see NobleStylez is cheating.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I told you. Oh. Just in case.
But for real, we all can see it.
It's so unfortunate. Hey, Pamsore. Thank you so much. It's so unfortunate I have to talk about my brother Noble. But you know, Blecperl, she made a remix for a song called Mondoro. Inamdara Shupi. But I think the next song Noble should make is Onaiku Onda Kwandaita. I know it's cliche, but he has to remix that song. And guess what? When Blecperl was 21 years old, she won the best male for female hip hop. Wait. She also, look, I'm a friend. She was a virgin at 21. But guess what?
No book him.
She's none of those things anymore. She's neither best female, she's neither a virgin.
What? Oh my God! What? Dog.
Okay, that's enough about my hip hop brothers. Do you know what, guys? And I think Ricky Fire should just join. Professor. He's this man, akajoin ake Professor Madhuku. Zvakashate. Brand remukomana uyu ndere Madhuku. It's only on 30 kakadaro. It is only right. But you know what? We all have massive respect for my brother, Ricky Fire, for doing what he did. Anzina babongile. Ricky Fire has got balls. That's true, and it. Anima guts. But right now, Ricky Fire thinks butter is breakfast. But you know what? Babongile is in the streets so much. Shekuti butter is actually breakfast. Right, ansanda pedza na Ricky Fire. Uyu murume panofaka pane ma1 nhaka yese dzine dziri hembe. Musikana muhombe anotora kumusoro, anotora dhuku zvichidzika because mudhara anopfeka silk. Haisi secret, mudhara anopfeka silk. So, Ricky Fire, I've said enough about you. We all appreciate you. But tonight, Chimomire.
The writer did a bad job with this kid.
My socks, tonight I had a chance to meet Babongile. Apparently, according to my OG here, he's a comedy legend. But Babongile, this man, he had ambitions to be a vice chairman of Islanders. Just a vice. So essentially, Murume Uyu, he has dreams of having another man on top of him. Behind the stage, Anzi is an artist. They say he used to be a DJ. And he claimed not to play trash until he played his own music.
That's true. That's true.
That's so true, but I don't remember which year this man was a DJ. I could have been very young. How responsible is Babongile? How responsible is this man? The year the president of Zimbabwe, Mugabe, resigned, Kuda Musasiwa here, he blew $5,000 celebrating. Clap hands for you. That's a lot of money.
It was more. It was more.
But do you know what Babongile was doing? Showed up after work drunk and slept on radio live on air. This man.
FM! Yay! He did that shit. He actually did that shit.
But the beef Magi is obvious. Maga can make it out into femera mwoyo mdenga.
Yo?
It's simple. Like that. But Maggie is a soup. Is she? She's a soup. So zita rake rinyowani vimbai Kamoto. And they tried to abduct this lady here. And she was not home. It was obvious. She was not home. Ndoponto noti dzimwe time power no save a life emunhu.
Wapinda too deep.
She was not home. And you know what? Asanda pedza nema jokes ekupfupika. Maggie is so short. You can't help to look down upon her. You just have to look down upon her. Maggie has done a lot of skits. Nomazia.
What?
Mama ona. Sumza emoko kamona. But no one remembers none of them. Do you know why? Because she says a lot. She says a very few information in a lot of words.
Are you sure you're not talking about your own career?
Okay, she said that. But you know what? Maggie's attempt to comedy is so horrible. She's not all my jokes, Maggie. You don't have to freestyle jokes. You can see I wrote my jokes. So see, I'm going to bus stop, Maggie. So see, Anna. So, for what everyone has been waiting for, this is my big homie, to be honest. And if you've been looking in the careers here, hip hop, you know it's been there, but I can't help it. I can't. You know what? If you look at him, isn't Sana just a mock-up of Stogie T? Think about it. Vamsasiwa. Ukavanzwa vaitaura chirungu. You think pane pakangwarwa. But every year, pane mnanongo avara. And you know what, big bro? You made it. You finally have diabetes. It's going to do the job COVID failed to do.
Hey. Shit.
And guys, this man claimed that he came back in 2008 to improve and help in the progress of this country. How? By selling veggies. At least sell nyama, at least. At least do that. And before ndaluza basa rangu, I'm about to talk about Gulezi. Our apologies. Because this man married a mathematician. Yes, he did. Kuda Musasiwa's wife, my guru Angwinin, is very learned. But do you know what? Uyumurumeo married that woman, beautiful woman, just to make a calculate bone notes. Ari kumonda. Mkoma wangwa. You know? And the Muslim know from mkoma wangu. It's going to be very easy. Because you start a business every year. I know this is a little dark. But mdara mnogo nongo ufuma. Mane funeral service. That's true. And guess what? And guess what? This man, you won't have to register a new company. Because chituna chaka is embalming. Fluid, mnezia embalming fluid. Chaka pins kwa mcoffin. Chineke chachi, finish it for me. Fresh in the box. Thank you so much.
moto vanopenda vakagibha vakapiswa nechimoto H-Town werukwekwe ndo vabatizira moto